Hey guys, welcome back to Koja Beauty. Today I am going to talk about the Keep Cool Bamboo Lotion. Now this lotion can be used for the face and for the body, and it contains 51% bamboo water, which is rich in minerals and antioxidants to help nourish the skin and restore the skin. It also contains a patented ingredient called Derma-Clera, which helps to soothe the skin and relieve irritation. On top of that, this lotion is formulated with 7 different types of hyaluronic acid to really provide that deep hydration for the skin that penetrates into the different layers of the skin as well. What I also like about this product is the fact that it's formulated without alcohol, artificial fragrances, silicons and parabens, which makes it suitable for sensitive skin. And on top of that, it's cruelty-free and vegan friendly. Now let's have a closer look at this lotion and see how it applies on the skin. I like the pump dispenser because it keeps things sanitary. And as you can see, the consistency is very runny. It's not like any other moisturizer or lotion that I've used before. This is a great lightweight moisturizer. I love how it feels on my skin, but I have to say, as someone with very dry skin, this didn't quite cut it for me. But I did mix in a drop or two of face oil with this and it worked fine. But if you're someone who has oily to very oily skin, I think you'd really enjoy this because it has such a lightweight texture and it doesn't feel too heavy on the skin either. Now that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!